What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to take a look at V75 analysis, V100 analysis, V25 including the V10 analysis. So we're going to take a look at how they're going to perform this coming week and what trades should we place on those volatility indices, right? So you can stay connected with us by joining any of our official pages with the links in the description box below, and don't forget to like this video for more and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. You can also see other services that we offer at ATG by contacting the number on your screen, right? So let's get into today's business. Right now I'm looking at V75 daily time frame, and we're just going to highlight some important zones and also provide the market direction for this coming week, right? So as you can see, we've been moving to this double top that I've been highlighting the past weeks. If you haven't watched the videos, go check them out so that you understand what is happening on this price action. So we've been highlighting this double top quite some while now, and literally as we are going, the double top represents a peak formation, which means that we are now in a downtrend. We're now coming from an uptrend, going back to a downtrend. That is also reflected from these lower highs that are now being set by the market. As you can see, we had this high, and then the next high failed to break the previous high, showing that the market is now flowing in this direction. Why? Because we are no longer breaking our higher highs, right? So with that said, we now know that we've had our first push, we've had our second push, and now we should experience our third push, right? So now the question is, where is the market going to reach from the point where it is right now, right? So I'm going to highlight some important zones. We had this zone as the previous support zone, which also can be confirmed from how these months back into like 2020. This has been a key price level. This is March, this is July, and this is December 2020. Price was still respecting that zone. So as we are heading down, you can also see that we have this other support zone down there that price can possibly reach, right? But currently we're at this position, and we're coming from previously set lower high. So my analysis is saying that from this position right here, we're most likely going to head anywhere along this line, right? I know it's a small movement, but that is currently where we can head. Or we have this high, for you to be certain, we have this high that you can also look at, or you can also set this as a new target, right? So anywhere between this zone and this zone and this zone, or among these three zones, right, you should expect price to reach those zones, V75. So overall we are in a downtrend, so place your sell trades, monitor your trades closely. This is a daily time frame, so even this small movement is very much high rewarding. Why? Because V75 has a high peak value, and we're in a daily time frame, so there's a lot of pips for you to reach this zone. Okay, moving on to V100. V100 has been in uptrend for quite some while now. As you can see, the general slope like this, but we started to experience some pullbacks right around this zone. So we had this pullback but then price started to rally up today, very much bullish. So my best guess was this zone is to form our M structure, something like this. Price is going to push back up to something like that, and then form a new peak in a new period, right? You can see we have our time separator, so this will be a peak in our first period, and then a second peak in our second period, and price will start to push back down, right? So as of now, I'm expecting price to keep on pushing up. Maybe let's go back to our time frame and see clearly what is happening. Okay, this is my 4-hour time frame, and this is how the chart currently looks like. So I'm still predicting that we should be moving up. We have this upper ceiling, which I think price can no longer break this price level. This is our high of the month, I guess, July, and probably a new high will be set for August, somewhere below the high of July, right? So we also have some important price levels like these ones. The price was making some important decisions. We can touch, second touch a breakout, price rallied down, price is probably going to reach that zone again. Probably we expect it to break this zone. If it fails, then we go back all the way down, right? So that's 300. Let's move on to B25. See what we have again. We're in the daily time frame, and currently we're coming from this low. Again, I highlighted it in the previous videos. If you're following from this low, price rose to this level, right? We had a slight pullback, which I now come to understand that it was a lower low that was formed, meaning to say we are now in an uptrend, or we're now starting to experience an uptrend. Now we are setting lower lows. I would expect another lower low to be formed for me to really confirm that we're going up, but as of now, let me move to 4-hour time frame so I can clearly get some nice entries over there. So from the lower low, this is from the lower time frame, this is how price is currently looking like. It seems like we have a cap right here, which is our resistance zone, and it seems like this is also a respected zone. As you can see, go all the way back, and price is really pushing up from this level. So probably this is a new lower low. So this will be one coming from the stage, 1, 2, then we go way up. So some buy trades will be very much meaningful for V25, sorry, as we are now moving up because we are setting lower lows. Okay, and then lastly we'll talk about V10. I'll start from the daily time frame so you get the clear picture. V10 is like this. We seem to have our double top here, 2 different periods. That's fine. We had our first push going down. It's fine. We had a pullback. Still fine. And now probably we're going to break this resistance zone, right, and start going down. This is what the daily time frame is kind of showing right now. Let's see what the 4-hour time frame is also saying, so to clarify on that again. This is how the 4-hour time frame is looking like. We seem to have this nice channel that we have, and trend lines want. But if you follow these trend lines, channel, you'll get a small movement going there, and then you start pushing downwards. Okay, so this is the breakdown for indices, for volatility indices for this week. I hope you guys liked, stayed up to this end, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Until next time.